Picture this. You walk into your favorite shoe store, breathe in that familiar scent of the vibrant and darkened shoes that are out, and begin your search for the perfect shoe. You find your favorite brand and realize that you have no idea how to begin. I'm sure we have all stood in front of the shelves full of shoes, questioning how we will pick the perfect shoe for us. I, like you, have been in your situation and have come up with a simple strategy of picking out and collecting your perfect shoe. And I have been using this strategy since seventh grade when I picked out my first pair of Converse. In order to pick out your perfect pair of shoes, you must examine your favorite brand, the style, and the reason you are buying the shoe. Just like shirts and pants, shoes have different brands. Based on the brand of shoe, you will learn more about the personality of the person wearing them or buying the shoes. This was researched by the University of Kansas in Journal of Research in Personality, volume 48, pages 423 to 430 in 2012. They stated that 90% of the participants were able to accurately identify the stranger's personality traits as well as their financial stabilities by the looks of their shoes. A higher brand shoe would be considered Louis Vuitton, whose shoes sell for $600 to $1,000. A cheaper shoe would be Stevie Madden, whose shoes usually sell for around $100 or less. Converse shoes usually sell around $50 to $80. Sometimes, if you hit a good sale, or at thrift stores, or online selling places like eBay, you can find them for a cheaper price. We talked about how the shoes and clothes have different brands, and now we'll talk about how they have different styles. For example, some shirts are cropped, some are tight, and some are flowy and oversized. Just like that, the styles are our biggest concerns when you are buying the shoes. For me, I like Converse, so I tend to lean more towards the high top and low top. High top meaning shoes that go above your ankle, and low top meaning shoes that end at your ankle. There are also heels which are made to make the person wearing them appear taller. These heels would include platform heels, which are a shoe that extends the base from the heel to the toes of your shoe. A quote I like to use often is by Christian Louis Vuitton, who is a founder and designer of the Louis Vuitton company. He stated that shoes transform your body language and attitude. They lift you physically and emotionally. Now that we have reviewed the different styles and brands, we will move on to the reasoning of why you're buying a new pair of shoes. For some, buying a new pair of shoes comes very rarely, whether that be because of financial reasons or just because they don't feel like buying new shoes. Some people may even buy shoes for specific reasons, like to match a formal event or to work out in. So deciding why you are getting your shoes is a very important step into beginning your purchase. Once, my mom had told me to go to the store and buy a new pair of shoes for a formal event, but I bought a pair of Converse sneakers because I had misheard her and thought she meant an informal event. I came home and my mom asked me, "What did you buy?" And I said, "Well, Converse." And she was like, "What do you mean? Converse are not formal shoes." And that is when I realized I had messed up. And so I had to go back to the store and return them and get some formal shoes. And my mom accompanied me. And now whenever we go buy formal shoes, my mom states, "Remember, Michelle, sneakers are not considered formal shoes." So in conclusion, we have learned the 3 steps on things to know and understand while looking for your new pair of shoes. Now to review the steps to find your perfect shoes. You will have to know the brand, the style, and the reason you are buying the shoe. If you follow these 3 simple steps, you will easily find one of your favorite. You will easily find your perfect shoe every single time. I picture walking out of the shoe store knowing that you have just found the perfect shoe for you, and breathing in that fresh air and smiling because of the joy you feel after buying it.